related to trisection of an angle and a new theorem. We know that any irrational number cannot be expressed in the form of P upon Q. There is no algebraic method, but our geometry is able to draw a line equal to any irrational number. These are many methods in geometry to draw these lines. For example, under root 3, under root 5, under root 10 each. We can easily draw these lines with the help of geometrical methods. Similarly, it is said that trisection of an angle is impossible. There is no general method for trisection of an angle. It is very old problem of geometry. Our geometry gives a general method for trisection of any angle. It is a historical article of India. I have provided a general method for trisection of any angle. It based on geometrical logics. The trisection of an angle depends at the line BH, which is shown in the figure number 1. It is backbone of this article. It is best possible method according to me. The method of construction and its two proofs are given in this article. This article also gives us a new theorem which is given below. The chord which length is equal to distance between the center of the arc and point of intersection of the line passing through the midpoint of the arc and the point which divided the diameter into the ratio 1:3, drawn from other end of the arc and bisector of the angle subtended at the center by diameter drawn from both ends of the arc divides the arc into 6 equal parts. हिंदी में किसी चाप के मध्य बिंदु तथा उसी चाप के दूसरे सिरे से खींचे गए व्यास को 1:3 में विभाजित करने वाले बिंदु को मिलाने वाली रेखा तथा चाप के दोनों सिरों से खींचे गए व्यासों के बीच बने कोण की समद्विभाजक रेखा के कटान बिंदु की केंद्र से दूरी के बराबर लंबाई वाली जीवा चाप को 6 बराबर भागों में बांटती है।